This is not a video to bash this man. Rather, it is a clarion call to wake up sleeping giants. Tí wọ́n bá ní ẹ̀rí ọkàn, tí wọ́n farabalẹ̀ gbọ́n tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí. Ìdí tí ọ̀pọ̀ nínú yín ṣe gbàǹtẹ̀gbà yálà as pastor ni o, prophet, evangelist, teacher, and whatever position you have attained, ni wípé ẹni ìdánilójú wípé lóòótọ́ ni ẹnìkan wà tó ń jẹ́ Jésù tó sọ fún bàbá ẹ̀ wípé òun fẹ́ lọ kú fún àwọn ọmọ aráyé torí ìfẹ́ tó ní sí wa, which of course makes Christians to call him a father, with you people being representatives of that Jesus, even though evidently ẹ ti fi orúkọ Jésù yẹn bà ọ̀pọ̀ láyé jẹ́. Àwọn tó sọ ẹbí nù, àwọn tó sọ hard-earned money nù and everything, tí gbogbo ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń bọ́ sí àpò yín. Okay. Number 2, ẹ sọ fún wa wípé as a Christian, it is one of our responsibilities to try as much as possible to be like that Jesus, even not loving our own lives unto death. Number 3, it is succeed to tell a generation of Nigerians that you are of more fatherly figure to them than their own biological parents. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tún lágbára lórí wọn ju àwọn òbí tó bí wọn lọ. Number 4, ẹ ascertain wípé téèyàn bá kú sí orí òótọ́, tí èèyàn bá ṣe bí Jésù tó dẹ̀ kú, ó ní ilé kan lọ́run, mansions of gold tó ń lọ. Nínú eléyìí tí bàbá Adébóyè ti sọ wípé Ọlọ́run ti fi ilé àwọn hàn àwọn. Ó jẹ́ pọ́ìntì mẹ́rin. Nínú pọ́ìntì mẹ́rin tí mo wá tó pọ̀ yìí, ìkarùn tí mo máa fi lé ni wípé as a God general, as the biblical God general tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́, I will implore you to go and make a study of who general is when it comes to the setup of the army officer, irrespective of the country. Tí wọ́n bá sọ pé ogun yá, a general is not supposed to be concerning himself with the affairs of the civilian. That is what the Bible says. But Arika, Aderiwo káàkiri, how all of you have been championing the cause of making sure that anybody within and without must always pay tithe. Nínú eléyìí tí Oríṣẹ́jà fọ́ sọ wípé eat your tithe and die. Nínú eléyìí tí bàbá Adébóyè sọ wípé if you don't pay tithe you are going to hell. Nínú eléyìí tí Olúkọ̀yà sọ pé àwọn kan ń travel, wọ́n wá béèrè, wọ́n wá pàdé armed robbers lọ́nà, armed robbers dá mọ́tò wọn dúró, wọ́n wá sọ wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá san tithe ẹ dúró síbí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ san tithe ẹ dúró síbí, ẹ̀yin nìkan kìnìkan. They robbed àwọn tí wọn kì í san tithe. Tá a bá sọ wípé bóyá Olúkọ̀yà mọ àwọn armed robbers tó lọ ń gba irú owó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sìn, ẹ máa ní ká jayọ̀ pa torí kò sí evidence, unless tó bá mú evidence jáde tá interview àwọn olè yẹn. But that is not where I'm going. Oyedepo has terrorized the people following him severally without evidence of paying that tithe in the lives of those that are winners members. Wọ́n kàn pé yín ní winners lásán ni. Ẹ lose ju kí ló dálẹ̀ lọ. But like I said, I'm not bashing, I just want to ask some questions. My question now is it that all of you did not have father figures when you were growing up? Or the ones you had did not actually live up to the expectations of the characteristics of a father? Torí wípé nǹkan téèyàn ò bá ní kò lè jùnú. If you claim you are fathers to Nigerians that are being killed in thousands today, and you have affiliations with various government officials all over Nigeria, because it can only mean an affiliation if Adeolu Adeboye could get a contract of 90 billion naira without executing the project in Kaduna State, and yet judiciary sector is not able to call him for questioning. But àwọn tó jí millions, tó jẹ́ ọmọ aláìléèyàn lásán, judiciary system is sending them to prison. Why is it difficult? And of course, when it comes to using the police, Olukoya is good at doing that. Except if it has to do with massive killings. He is powerless. The police is using, they are powerless. My question is, why is it now difficult for all of you, fathers, to go into the same room with these politicians? Kó tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ pé torí àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé yín tó ń kú bí eṣinṣin yìí all over Nigeria tán nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. Politician tẹ́ bá wà affiliated pẹ̀lú tẹ́ jùlọ, kẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ ti torí ikú tó ń pa wá, kẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ dọ̀bálẹ̀ síwájú pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá wa dá ìtàjẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ìdúró. How else can we show Nigerians that you people don't love them? How many of you remember the picture that Baba Adeboye took with Babatunde Raji, former governor of Lagos State, àti Tinubu? Tọ́jọ́ wà lórí tébù tọ́jọ́ ń jẹun. How many times láti rí picture Oyedepo pẹ̀lú Ọbásanjọ́ àtàtíkù? Kí ni Bàbá Kúmúyì máa fi ikú tó ń pa wá sílẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà tí Ọlọ́run Kúmúyì ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan sí, ṣùgbọ́n the same powerless God and Jesus, Bàbá Kúmúyì máa gbé lọ sí India last year or 2 years ago, tá a rí wọn tán wọ regalia India. Torí tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀nù yẹn ni pé à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ságbàlagbà. How many of you looking at me tó ń support àwọn bàbá yìí lẹ́ ń bá bàbá àtìyá yín jà ní lélẹ́ni because wọ́n tiraka láti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá àtìyá, ṣùgbọ́n kò tẹ́ ẹ̀yin lọ́rùn, ẹ wá ń bá bàbá àtìyá yẹn jà lẹ́ni because they were not able, they didn't have the power to do what you wanted them to do as your biological father and mother. Yet, àwọn tẹ́ ń gbóṣùbà fún sìn, why are they fatherless? Why are they not meeting up to the requirements? Based on the position tán fira wọn sí tọ́lọ́run fi wọ́n sí, these are my questions. But because I said I don't want to bash, and I said it is a clarion call, Baba Adeboye, Oyedepo, Olukoya, Kúmúyì, Òrìṣẹ́jàfọ̀, Aṣímọlọ́wọ́, àtẹ̀yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, mi lè ka ẹ̀yin kéékèèké tó kù ẹ kéré. Ẹ má jẹ́ mọ́ waste page mi, ẹ kéré. Àwọn bàbá yín ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Torí tí igi bá ṣubú lórí igi tòkè là kọ́ yanjú. Like I said, it is a clarion call. You are sleeping giants. Ẹ ti fi ẹnu ya ẹran sọ́bẹ̀ débi wípé àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé yín ti rò wípé ẹlẹ́nu ń bẹ. When actually is the right time tẹ́ máa bá wa bẹ àwọn olóṣèlú yìí, torí wípé wọ́n ní aṣọ tó kángun ségun náà ń pè ní jẹ̀pẹ́. Ẹ̀yin ni jẹ̀pẹ́ aráàlú tí wọ́n ń pa lọ́wọ́ báyìí torí pé ara wa lẹ ti rí gbogbo owó tẹ́ fi ń ṣayé lénìí. Then this is the time we need you most than any other thing, because Nigerians are no longer running around because of hunger. Nigerians are only fighting to be able to sleep and wake up the following day. Tí terrorists tó dẹ̀ nípa wọn. We won't use the word bandits, àwọn terrorists. Tẹ́ àwọn tó dẹ̀ kó wọn wá sílùú jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní fọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ hàn mí kí n sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn tí ò jẹ́. Ṣé bẹ́yìn lẹ pa lówe fún wa? When are you sleeping giants going to wake up and have mercy on Nigerians? This is my question. Ó dìgbà náà, ire o.